Hey everybody, it's Mr. Spencer. Today we're going to be learning about human and physical characteristics. Both of these fall under the theme of geography known as place. But first, we're going to learn about how to create a Google document for my class. So if you have an open browser window like this open on your laptop or Chromebook, you're going to go to this bar here and you're going to click Google Documents. When you do that, it's going to open us up to a sort of home base, and you're going to click the blank document page. Once you do that, it opens us up to the front of the Google document, and there are a series of things we have to do before we are ready. First, we have to come up with a title. So the title for today's assignment is Place, Mission Impossible. Once I'm done, I'm going to come down to the cursor and I'm going to put my name, the period number, and then the date. I might make another space there and I might retitle it on the actual document. You don't have to do that today if you don't want, but it's helpful. You notice I just bolded the text as well, just so that I know it's the title. Now I'm going to come down 2 spaces, and we're going to insert today a chart, because we're going to try to fill in a chart today for today's activity. So I'm going to go up to Insert, Table, and I'm going to create a 2x2 chart. I'm now going to title each column 2 different things. The first one is human characteristics, and the other one is physical characteristics. Now that we have a small chart, I want to extend the bottom portion. So I'm going to grab with my cursor and I'm going to drag to make a larger chart. Okay? For today's activity, while we are watching a 2-minute clip from Mission Impossible 3, I want you to try to look for any human or physical characteristics that you see in the video clip. You're just making observations. There are no right or wrong answers, but to your best ability, try to find human and physical characteristics. Remember that human characteristics include things like language, customs, ways of life, while physical characteristics are things that are tangible, like mountains, rivers, bridges, and roads. I wish you guys the best of luck. If you have any questions at all during this entire lesson today, just raise your hand and I will come right over to you. I really appreciate it, guys. We'll talk soon.